Nainya Chris Owino kuom report majaber makamano. Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi kama koro wayudo ni riwruok ma jopuonj KNUT dwaro ni sirkal mondo med ndiko jopuonj e skunde mag piny owacho mag junior secondary mondo chenro mag GSS otimre e yo makare. Jagoro maduong' mar KNUT Collins Oyuo koni ber komedo omenda e skundego mibiro tigo de chulo jopuonj, gero kilese kod tayo somo mondo dhi e yo makare maonge oharo mora mora. Collins Oyuo en jata tije mar KNUT.
One, we thank the President for having employed over 35,000 teachers. But that is not enough. We still called upon His Excellency to look upon it by making more employments after the 20,000 that are supposed to be employed by the month of September this year. Reason being, understaffing in schools in this country is acute. Acute in the sense that some classes at some time go unattended to. And I think you can pick from what is happening with junior secondary schools. It is hue and cry all over in terms of teacher-pupil or teacher-student contact in junior secondary.